Valley, a teacher is given a 90-day suspension without pay. It's punishment, we're told, from the Fort Smith School District for including a test question with a racial slur. KNWA's Gabriella Phelan in studio. And Gabriella, you've been looking into this. You learned the teacher not only has an attorney, but actually some support from someone rather close to this entire situation.
Doug, that's right. Last night, the board decided to suspend Robert Taylor for 90 days with no pay. Now his lawyer is speaking out, saying they have the support of the very person who experienced that racism.
When you're teaching history, you can't sanitize it because that's the way we learn. And if we don't learn from our history, we're doomed to repeat it.
That's longtime Fort Smith attorney Joey McCutcheon's thoughts after Northside High School teacher Robert Taylor faced accusations of racism during a lesson on civil rights.
We want our students being taught real, true history.
Taylor's class read through a book called Warriors Don't Cry by Melba Beals, a member of the Little Rock Nine. The book contains sensitive language and racial slurs that Beals says she endured while at Central High School.
These literary works contain the N-word, and the library at Northside High School has at least 5 different literary works that use the N-word. The 11th grade literature textbook uses the word, and Mr. Taylor taught a powerful lesson to his students.
But according to McCutcheon, it was only when part of the text that contained a racial slur was quoted on a test that the allegations of racism started to surface, resulting in Taylor being placed on administrative leave.
If they are going to have textbooks, and the 11th grade textbooks is going to have the N-word in it, then they need to have regulations about what teachers are allowed to teach without feeling like they're going to lose their job.
But last night at a hearing on the situation, the district stood its ground, choosing to suspend Taylor for 90 days without pay, something McCutcheon says was an overreaction.
They threw Mr. Taylor under the bus, and without even talking to him, without even getting his version of what had happened. If you're calling someone the N-word, obviously that's unacceptable.
But Mr. Taylor is getting some support from the very person who experienced that racism and wrote that book.
Dr. Beals supported Duff Taylor 100%, said that he had given the students a gift. We thought that's what she would say. Because she wrote those words, because words have power to them, and you can't sanitize history. It's what she lived, it's what she experienced.
Well, for now, McCutcheon says that he hopes the district will renew Mr. Taylor's contract after that suspension ends. We did reach out to Fort Smith Public Schools for comment on this, to which they denied. Doug, back to you.